So here is a problem. This is off. On. It won't start. Off. On. And if I see the status here, it shows this one. I don't know what is this one for, but it doesn't work.